All right, we've got a little bit of consolidation and a pullback on natural gas on Tuesday. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find the link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So, a couple things I want to point out here. Number one, we hit key support here based on this trend line, the 61% retracement. Previous resistance becomes support, previous support becomes support, and so forth. And now we got to rally off that low. So that easily could be the completion of the retracement, particularly since it went all the way back to the breakout level of this large symmetrical triangle pattern and support was seen there. So now we have a new this and also this uptrend line as well. So we have this downtrend line here with an uptrend line here that says that by the 14th of February, roughly maybe a couple days or a few days before that, there should be a breakout through one of those lines. Right now, it looks like the top line is a more likely one, but it also could be the bottom line, keeping in mind that we also have the support here and provide some additional clues as to support, resistance, supply and demand, and what is happening with the pattern. So today we had a pullback off the gap up yesterday and bullish reversal, creating a lower high and a lower low. And you can see how about half of the gap was filled. So I would suspect that it's possible we fill this gap, and we won't know though, unfortunately, unless there's a drop below 317. At that point, the gap may be filled. Or maybe some other type of pullback and shopping around before this bounce is ready to exert itself again. Nevertheless, today's high is a key level, 335. As a move above it as a sign of strength, but we don't really have a continuation of this bounce until there's a breakout above 341, which is yesterday's high. At that point, we have potential resistance around 352, the 50 moving average, and then the 20 moving average at 368, 369 area. So those are price zones. But either way, the 50 is a more significant one because it covers a longer time frame. So natural gas needs to get above the 50, stay above the 50 in order to have a chance to going higher. So that's the first barrier or the next big barrier that we want to be watching for. All right, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great week.